Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you want to format and publish your blog post by us, you may contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today, I will guide how you can style text as keyboard input in WordPress. Firstly, I will guide for Gutenberg Block Editor. After that, Classic Editor. So I am going to my all post section. After that, I am going to open this post in Gutenberg Block Editor. And if I want to make this paragraph as keyboard input style, so firstly I have to select this paragraph or word or sentence, whatever you want to mark as keyboard input style text. Select those part. After that, at the top toolbar, you will get this icon. Click there, and after clicking you will get lots of option. From that option you will get a option for keyboard input. Click there, work is done. So your text is now displaying as keyboard input. If I save this post and if I view the post, you see this part is as like keyboard input. So by following this method you can mark your text as a keyboard input. Now I will show how you can do the same task for your Classic Editor. Now I am going to open that post in Classic Editor. So as previously I have made this part as a keyboard style text in Gutenberg Editor, I will do the same paragraph for Classic Editor also. I have selected that paragraph, but in Classic Editor there has no such kind of toolbar which will give you to mark it as a keyboard style text. For this reason I have to click on right side text option. Right now we are on visual option, but we have to click on text. So already I clicked on text. After that I have to select this paragraph as a KBD tag. So before P tag I am writing KBD starting tag. I am making it zoom. Then you can easily understand what I am doing here. Already I have written the KBD opening tag. Now I want to give the KBD closing tag. So KBD. So closing tag is done. If I give update, I am clicking on view post and making it normal. After that you see this paragraph is right now keyboard input style text. So those are the tricks. If you want to make your blog post, any paragraph, any word, anything you want to display as like keyboard input text style, you can follow this method. So today it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about your website blog post formatting, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.